Did you know that you can clean your silk scarf at home? In this video, I will show you how to wash your precious scarf. You will see all the important details, some little secrets, and a few mistakes to avoid. I have a lot of silk scarves, new, vintage, cheap or expensive, and I wash all of them myself. I have been cleaning my scarves at home for many years, and now you can learn from my experience. First, find all the spots that needs to be cleaned. Second, mix some hair shampoo with water and treat the spots. If you have a twill scarf, it's better to do it along the twill direction. Now clean your sink. It is a very important step. If you have some soap residue, you may end up with some smudges after you iron your scarf. This happened to me a few times before I found out what was the problem. Now fill your sink with warm water and some shampoo. I used just a regular shampoo without conditioner. Don't use baby soaps. It can leave some smudges. The water temperature should be exactly as you wash your hair. If it's too cold, the shampoo won't work. If it's too hot, you can damage your scarf silk and colors. Now let's wash our scarf. We just move the fabric under the water, compress it and release it. Wring the scarf out without twisting it. Next, we rinse the scarf in clean water 2 times. The same idea. Squeeze and release, squeeze and release. For the third rinse, I add some vinegar in the water, about 2 or 3 tablespoons. It will keep the colors bright. And don't worry about the vinegar smell. It will disappear very quickly. While your scarf is air drying, make sure the ironing board and iron are clean, or you risk to stain your scarf. When your scarf is almost dry, let's iron it. I turn off the steam and choose settings for blend. But if you don't have the experience, start with cooler settings. Iron your scarf along the threads and never on diagonal. We iron our scarf very carefully, drying it at the same time. Pay attention to not flatten the hems. We will work on it later. Now let's talk about the hems. It is hand rolled and we need to take extra care of it. I pin one corner of the scarf and pull the hem just a little. Iron the fabric along the hem, but not the hem itself. Let it cool for about 30 seconds, 1 minute. Unpin it, pin the next section, pull it, iron, Let it cool and unpin. When all hems look perfect, just iron again the middle of the scarf, if it needs to be ironed. Et voila! Your scarf is clean and looks perfect. By the way, if you like scarves, you may want to watch these videos too. Subscribe, hit the like button and let me know in the comment section below what kind of video tutorial you would like to see in the future. I hope to see you next time. Bye!